I've recently discovered a new program. It's called Plasticity. It is CAD for artists or designers, and it's pretty sweet. It helps you get some shapes, some different types of models that are a lot trickier to do in something like Blender, traditional box modeling. Possible, but trickier. More tricky, yeah. So today we're going to learn how to create a Lego block, because who doesn't want to learn how to do that? 3D print your own, right? And please check out my friends over at Pixel Fondue for an amazing library of tutorials on plasticity. That really helped me get up to speed. So you start off with a cube, and we're going to go ahead and move those faces around. Hit 3 to get into face mode, selection mode, and then we're going to essentially alter the shape of this cube until it looks like a Lego brick, the general shape. And go ahead and offset the edges. We've added some circles, and do that in orthographic mode. Offset those edges to inset the circles. Then we're just going to extrude it up. Okay, and then now we're going to create some new rectangles, extrude those, use the array tool to duplicate those across the length of the brick, referring to our reference image. And then you're just going to repeat those steps for the sides of the brick as well. Okay, at this point, we're going to use one of those rectangles for the little support walls that support that middle cylinder and give the Lego brick more strength. Now draw out some more circles and duplicate those until you have a total of 8. And select all of those circles and use GZ to move those circles up, and then hit I to project those curves, and then extrude those out to get those nice little studs or nubs, whatever they're called, on the top of the Lego brick. And then for good measure, go ahead and add a material. Hit M or right click over there on the outliner in the left. Make the edits you want, and boom, you've got a Lego brick in plasticity.